wa urimi nirutanyitwo kurehe mbegu cia sunflower makiria tani 500 kahindaini ga ciumia igiri ciukite itemiin ria kuhurana na unyihu wa maguta guku bururi-ini kuringana na ngabana wa homa gladys wanga no urugamariire kanju ya mangabana augite ati kwandikithio kwa arimi ati ni kwandikithio kwa arimi kaunti-ini iria citanyitwo kuruguria mubango uyu ni ciambitie ni mubango uria urongoreirie gukorwo kihurana na unyihu wa maguta guku bururi-ini.
Production, and we have agreed on how we are going to progress production of at least 200,000 acres of sunflower, moving it from just 4,000 acres previously, and we want to thank the national government for that cooperation and support. And I'm here representing the Council of Governors, the entire governors team, and particularly the counties that are going to be running with the sunflower project. But I think it is a risk that has been outlined, but we will proceed because the risks are part of life. So we will proceed, but knowing that El Nino, yes, is a risk, because if it overrains, then there will be parts of the country that probably will be affected. But it is a risk that is noted, but we are proceeding nonetheless.
Getting whatever Kenya Seed had, over 7 metric tons, that's what we got from our Kenya Seed, and that one we are not giving it to farmers, we are using it to produce seeds so that we have more next year to give to the farmers. From there, as explained, we are now to search for where we could get seeds, and the nearest we could get it was in Zambia. So our officers, including our Director General, and to go there and get seeds, and this morning we finalized all the approvals we needed, and we are almost confident that in 2 weeks' time we have the seeds here with us in the country, which will be distributed to 24 counties. These 24 counties have been selected as a pilot scheme because we want to spread it to almost all the counties which are able to grow sunflower. But we are importing 500 metric tons, and that will end up to the 70 metric tons we got from the Kenya Seed.
Out on sunflower. We'll do that calculation.